Ciao, my friends. Today we are covering the power of visualization. Imagine you need to present something very important to your executives, or you need to create a pitch for your potential investors. So, how are you going to impress them, not just with the speech, but as well with the tools? So, today we'll be covering how you can create incredible visualizations using Canva as well as Power BI. So you can do the data crunching as well as creating incredible visualizations. Let's get started. Here are some interesting statistics that you should know about. 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual. The human brain can process an image in just 13 milliseconds. And 50% of the brain is active in visual processing. And human brains process visual 60,000 times faster than they do the text. And 93% of communication is nonverbal, and we are exposed to 5 times more information today than we were in 1986. So, and this is the importance why we need to be much smarter when we are reporting and presenting, that not only what we present and counts, but also how we present. So let's dive in, and I'm going to show you Power BI and really cool visualizations, how you can turn your presentations into very an executive feel so you can impress and deliver with confidence. So let me show you. Here is the Power BI report. Let me just start from the scratch. And as you can see, I've got certain backgrounds already embedded. On top, you can see that I've got also a menu. So when you are presenting or when you are delivering the presentation, the executives can nicely and quickly understand, okay, this presentation includes X amount of pages, and we are covering high level these topics. So for example, if I would click on visualization, okay, like so, it's going to take us to the next page. And in here, this is what I was covering to you guys about the statistics and the power of data visualization. Then if you wish to switch to the next tab, and in here, I just use, I analyze Tesla performance as well as the electric vehicle market. And I kind of created my own presentation just to show you how quickly you can create a presentation. So what you will see here, you will have a certain images that are embedded in the Power BI that I use Canva, and then certain ones I left empty spaces for me to bring in my own either narratives or calculate any KPIs. So here as an example, I've got actually live calculations, which actually gives me the latest electric vehicle market. So right now, as of December, let's say as of end of 2021, it was $1.2 trillion, and Tesla was holding nearly 79%, close to 80% market share out of all the electric vehicle market. Here I'm also attaching, just for your information, the sources. And so we can now move on to trends. So within the trends, you can maybe just embed an image from an internet that would be better to and faster to maybe talk about any kind of disruptive technologies, but this is just an example what you can do. So in here, you can nicely present the globe. For me, I have embedded it into the slide already, and I'll show you how I did it. But the only thing what I left in here is to have the live KPIs. And in this case, I'm here providing the electric vehicle market cap in dollars, and by countries. So here we've got Canada that currently holds 0.02% of all the electric vehicle market. Of course, US, which is mostly Tesla. Then we've got some in the UK, Germany, Israel, and China. So again, I'm just really showing you the different options, how you can combine embedded images versus using the live KPIs by using, by creating the measures yourself, by feeding it into any kind of database you want. So then if we go under the competition, so here again, I've got live reading that based on the ranking, Tesla, out of all the electric vehicle manufacturers, has a #1 spot, and then followed by Lucid Motors and other competitors. So each time again I update the database, the ranking will give me the latest names of the competitors. Okay. So then let's go on to the advantage, which is competitive advantage. And here, again, you can either create your own narratives, like I'm doing, and I'm just kind of identifying that the competitive advantage of Tesla is definitely, first of all, Elon Musk. He's extremely talented engineer as well as entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur. And then also you've got the intellectual properties and designs. They had the first movers advantage, vertical integration, and of course the technology like the artificial intelligence, which is incredible. Now under the BI tools, so here I'm using Power BI. I've used it for over 3 years, and I've really appreciated the tool because not only it can do the descriptive analytics, prescriptive, but also predictive. Hence, I use it a lot. Then, under the processes, this is just really my own process that I follow. And of course, first I identify the database, how I use it. And of course, you have to clean it, extract it, load it, and transform it, followed by, okay, let me just collect some kind of designs, images. I mostly use Canva. For me, it's one of the best programs, solutions that for anyone who doesn't really understand how to do creation of designs, I mean, they are doing everything at such an easy way that anyone can learn it within minutes. And then what I do is I embed my data and also my images from Canva, and I produce my executive style presentations. At the end, I'm leaving you with some resources. So below in this video, please check out the links to Microsoft Power BI. There are so many YouTube videos. If you wish to learn how to use Power BI, start simply. And then, of course, Canva. It's free to sign up. Use the below link to actually take you there. I hope in this video I've added lots of value by providing you with a business intelligence tool. It can be Power BI. You can also use Tableau, ClickView. There are other multiple other business intelligence tools, but for me, I use Power BI, as well as for images and quick creations of presentation. You don't need to use just Power BI. You can also, Canva allows you to use Microsoft PowerPoint and other types of tools. So check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and just be bold, be creative, and just really nail the presentation. Okay? Till next time, ciao, my friends.